In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up client portals on monday.com. Before you begin, make sure you already have a board created in monday.com. This is important because the client portal setup starts from an existing board rather than from scratch. Once your board is ready, open it so you can adjust the board settings and prepare it for client access. From inside the board, look for the board type setting. This is where monday.com defines who can access the board and how it can be shared. You'll want to open that option so you can change the current access level. If the board is currently set to main, click on main. A main board is typically visible to people within your account, but it isn't the right setting if you want to share the board more directly with a client outside your internal workspace. The goal here is to switch the board into a format that supports outside collaboration. Next, change the board type from main to shareable. This is the key step that turns your board into a client-friendly portal. A shareable board allows you to invite external users so they can view and interact with the board, depending on the permissions available in your account. If you're using this for client communication, project updates, or approvals, this setting is what makes that possible. After that, click on your name or the people section associated with the board. This is where you manage who has access. Once that area opens, type in the client's email address. Be sure to enter the correct business email so the invitation goes to the right person and they can join without confusion. When the email appears as an option, click Invite a new member by email. This tells monday.com that you want to add someone who is not already part of your board. Then choose Invite as a member. This completes the invitation setup and sends the request to the client. At that point, the client will receive an email invitation. They'll need to open that email and follow the prompts to access the shareable board. If they don't see it right away, it's a good idea to ask them to check their spam or promotions folder just in case the invite was filtered. And that's it. Once they accept the invitation, your client portal is essentially whiffed through that shareable monday.com board. This is a simple and effective way to give clients visibility into progress, timelines, and updates while keeping collaboration organized in one place.